UNIX Academy. This is Jyoti. In this video I am going to show you some of the Git interview question and answers. Already I uploaded 2 videos regarding the Git interview question and answers. Now also I am going to show you Git interview question and answers. Next question. Why we need to clone? The git clone command is used to copy an existing Git repository from a server to the local machine. That is a simple answer. This is enough. Then I will go to next question. What is the default branch name? By default, Git will create a branch called master. When you create a new repository with Git in it, from Git version 2.28 onwards, you can set a different name for the initial branch. To set main, I am giving example for a main here as the default branch name. The command is git config --global. This is double hyphen, not a single hyphen. Global init default init.default branch be uppercase. Then we can give our main name. This name I gave here. You can change any name here. If you want to check configuration settings, give the command simply git config --list. Then next question, how will you get a short status? If you give git status, we will get long output. For that, from that we can give short status output, while the git status output is pretty comprehensive. Git also has a short status flag, that is a git status -s or git status --short. Using by this command, any command git status --short or git status -s command, you can get for more simplified output. Next question, you will have a class of files that you don't want Git to automatically add or even show you as being untracked. There are generally automatically generated files such as long files or files produced by your build team. How will you deal with these files? In such cases, you can create a file listing patterns to match them named .git ignore. In the simple case, the repository might have a single .git ignore file in its root directory, which applies recursively to the entire repository. However, it is also possible to have additional .git ignore files apply only to the files under the directory where they are located. Some rules also available for this .git ignore command. You can put that rules with .git ignore files. Those rules are blank lines or lines starting with hash or ignored. Standard globe patterns work and will be applied recursively throughout the entire working tree. You can start patterns with a // to avoid recursively. You can end patterns with a / to specify a directory. You can negate a pattern by starting it with an exclamation point. These are the rules we can apply with git ignore command. Then next question, how will you view your staged and unstaged changes? Git status will give the output by listing the file names. Git diff shows the exact lines added and removed. The 2 commands is available for this answer for this question. Staged and unstaged changes viewing command. For example, I am giving some example to understand. Now you edit and stage the file1.txt file. Again, already this file1.txt file is already existing. This is we are going to modify this time, and then edit the file to.txt. This is also an existing file, without staging it. We modified, but it is not staging it. If you run your git status command, it will give the output changes to be committed modified file1.txt. This git status command will give this output, and changes not staged for commit modified file2.txt. To see that you have changed but not yet staged, type git diff with no other arguments. With the git diff command also arguments, some little bit arguments is available. Next time I will explain those arguments. From this question, this is enough, so that I am not giving you deep instructions here. The command output, the git diff command output is something is pretty different from git status output. It will show only the unstaged files. If you wanted to see what you have staged, that will go into your next commit, you can use git diff --staged. It will show only committed files. This time it won't display unstaged files. Then next question, how will you remove files from git? To remove a file from git, you have to remove it from your tracked files and then commit. The git rm command does that and also removes the file from your working directory, so you don't see it as an untracked file the next time around. The command git rm file name, that is enough. This is not a dot, just simply git rm file name is the command to remove files from the git. In this video I gave nearly 6 questions and answers. We practice and note it down. Subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you.